Matt. I see that you're writing equations of linear lines. Linear lines, kind of a Department of Redundancy department. So yeah, let's first remember that when you're writing equations of a line, there's three different forms you can choose from. There's the y equals mx plus b, which is probably the, I don't know, different teachers do it differently. That's the one I like to start with, is the y equals mx plus b. So y equals mx plus b is the first one. And then we've got the y minus y sub 1 equals mx minus x sub 1. That's your point slope form. And then we have your ax plus by equals c. That's your standard form. Well, as I'm looking and to know which equation I want to use, I want to see kind of what information am I given. And depending on what information I'm given, that's the form I'll choose. So as I'm looking at the information, I know that I've got a point because I know that it goes through the point 1, 5, right? So I know it goes through the point 1, 5. So I've got me a point. I also have a slope because I know it's parallel to this guy, right? So if I have a point and a slope, then I'm just going to put in point slope form because it doesn't tell me which form to put it in. So that would be the easiest. So here we go. Let's do that. So let's start. So I'm going to use the point slope form, which is this one. So I'll put parentheses y minus the y of this point, which is 5, equals my slope. Okay, now the slope, remember, if it's going to be parallel to this one, this line it's a negative 4x plus 2. So that means the slope of this line is negative 4. And any line parallel to that line is going to have the same slope because it's parallel. So therefore, I have the same slope as I've got there. So negative 4 is my slope. And then I'll have x minus the x of the given point, which was back up here, and the x was 1. There you have it. You've got a point. I mean, you've got an equation of a line, slope of negative 4, and it went through the point 1, 5. You're good to go. All right. Hope you enjoyed it. See ya. Bye.